Hello student, I am back with question number 7 of exercise 15.2 volume and surface area. So in this question it has been said that a cylindrical roller is used to paint a rectangular dash. The length of the roller is 1.4 meter and its diameter is 0.7 meter. If the roller rolls 50 times to cover the dash completely, find the area of the dash. Okay. So dear children, basically in this question we have a cylindrical roller is used to paint a rectangular dash. The length of the roller is 1.4 meter. This is given to us, and its diameter is 0.7 meter. And we have to ask, find the area of the dash if the roller rolls 50 times to cover the dash completely. Okay, so this means first we have to find the curved surface area roller, and after that to multiply the curved surface area of roller by the 50, because we have to set the roller rolls 50 times, then find the total area of dash. Okay, so the dimension is given to us. Length of the roller, length h of the roller equal to 1.4 meter. Okay. Here diameter is given, so therefore radius r of the roller, this is equal to 0.7 meter. Okay. Now we have to find the curved surface area of the roller. Okay, so therefore CSA, curved surface area of roller rolls in 1 times. Okay, curved surface area rolls in 1 times, which is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, and now substituting the value over here, 2 pi r h, this is 2 pi r h. Now substituting the value of the dimension, radius and h, so we will get the curved surface area roller rolls in 1 times. Okay, so this is 2 into 22 by 7. Radius is, this is 0.7 meter into height is 1.4 meter. Okay, now simplify. So this can be written as 22 by 7 and 0.77 by 10 meter into, and this is 14 by 10 meter. So we can cancel 7 from numerator denominator, and this is 2 1 2 and 2 11 times and 2 5 10. Okay, and now multiply 2 into 11 into 14 by 10 into 5. So we will get the total value after the simplification 3.08 meter square. Okay, this is curved surface area roller rolls in one time. Okay, in one time the total area covered by roller equal to 3.08 meter square. And here say if the roller rolls 50 times to cover the dash completely. Okay, so this means the area of dash equal to area roller rolls in one times into 50. So we will get the total required area of the dash. So therefore area of dash is equal to curved surface area of roller rolls in 50 times. Rolls in 50 times. So we need to multiply 50 into 3.08 meter square. Now multiply 50 into 3.08 meter square. So we will get required area of the dash equal to 154 meter square. Okay, this is the required area of the dash when the roller dash 50 times. Okay, so this is the required answer of question number 7. Okay children, now move to the question number 8. In this question it has been said a cylindrical tube has an outer diameter of 2.5 cm and inner diameter of 1.5 cm. If the length is 7 cm, if it has to be anti-rust coated on the outer side, the inner side, and the rim on both sides, what is total surface area to be covered? For this purpose, calculate the cost if the rate is 0.5 per centimeter square. Okay, so dear children, in this question it has been said here is a cylindrical tube has outer diameter and its inner diameter. This is given to us and length is also given to us, and we have to find the area. We have to ask the inner and outer surface and rim from both sides. We have to paint it, then find the total cost. If the 1 centimeter square cost is 0.5 rupees. Okay, so we have to given radius R1 of inner cylinder equal to, okay, this is 1.5 centimeter and radius R2 of outer cylinder equal to, this is 2.5 centimeter. Okay, and height small h is given to us. This is 7 centimeter. Okay, and we have to ask the total surface area. Okay, we need to paint the total surface area, inner and outer, and area both side ring of the cylinder. Okay, so first we have to find curved surface area of inner and outer cylinder. Okay, so this is curved surface area of inner and outer cylinder is equal to curved surface area of inner and outer cylinder is equal to, this is 2 pi r1 h plus 2 pi r2 h. Okay, so this is 2 pi, taking 2 pi as a common, and r1 plus r2 and h also will also common. Okay, now substituting the value over here, this is 2 into 22 by 7, and radius r1 is 1.5 plus r2 is 2.5 into h is 7 centimeter. This is 7 centimeter square. Okay, now simplify. So 7 cancel out. This is 2 to the 4, 8 plus 1.5 plus 2.5. So this will be 0 and 3, 4. Okay, 4 centimeter square